Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a path on the map in the Google Earth application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just press on Explore Earth up there, and now you can just press on, you can see this Earth symbol in the bottom of your left corner, and you can just press on the third option there, and you can just press on at the point. You just have to select it on the map here. I'm just going to select a random spot like here, for example. You can just press on at the point, and now you can just select another point here and press on at the point once again, and you can just press on done after that, and the path is going to be created. So yeah, that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening, and see you next time. Bye bye.